Welcome everyone. So in this Python prerequisites course, we are going to learn about very basic things of Python, which is very needed for to kickstart your career in GCP. So we are choosing Python as our programming languages in GCP. So why we are going to use Python? GCP supports not only Python, it supports PHP, Java, JavaScripts, and many more languages like Golang as well. But we are choosing Python because if you are from different background, non-programming background, you want to get into programming side. So Python is the best language to kickstart your career in programming. So that's why we are using Python. Apart from this, Python is the most widely used language as of now in today, especially in data engineering. Whenever the term data comes in any field, so Python is the most preferable language because of its simplicity and because of vast range of libraries available. So what is library and all those things we will discuss later. So just focus on what we need to know before starting our GCP course. So as already said, why Python? It's a beginner friendly, flexible and extensible. That means we can customize the programming languages. As the customization is very simple, if you are from C, C++, or there are many other languages is there, but which is complex to customize the logic and everything. But Python is simple. So it is widely used in AI and ML, artificial intelligence and ML. So you come to know this AI ML and in later sections of our course. So before getting started, Python was created by this Guido van Rossum. You know why he created Python? He started this Python as a his hobby project. He wants to engage himself in late 1980s in Christmas time. You know, in Christmas time, the East countries, most of the people take vacation, travel, and they just spend time with their family and all those things. But this guy wants to engage himself. Maybe he feel so lonely, so that's why he engaging himself in this developing this project. So later in 1991, I guess the Python Foundation was formed, and the structured the from hobby project to on structured programming language, he structured the all the syntax and everything in 1991, I guess. So why he named his project as Python? Because he was a huge fan of one TV show called Monty's Python Flying Circus. So that's why he named this project as a Python. So since then we are using Python. Now it's taking over the programming languages world. Okay, so this is just kind of brief about Python introduction. There are many things we can tell, but that is not needed in prerequisites. So what are the topics we are going to cover? We are going to cover only these topics. Apart from that, the OOPS concept and everything is there, but we are not going to cover because it is not necessary to be learned for our uh, GCP course. So the first is data types and variables, list of data types available in Python, and what is variable, string methods, conditionals, and all those things we will cover one by one video. The one thing I want from you guys is practice every day. uh, Not only this course, whenever whatever the course you are enrolling into, practice every day, because whenever you are watching this video you feel like, okay, yeah, I got this, I understand this, so no need to practice. Don't do that. You have to practice it, then only you come to know. Because if you don't practice it, if I ask any questions in EOD calls, if you don't answer, it's literally wasting your time and my time as well. So just watch all the videos, have separate note and pen. uh, just if you have any doubts, just note it down, and in everyday EOD class you can ask me or other member, so that uh, we can keep on track to complete the course on framed timeline. So that's it. In next videos, we will directly jump into topics without any noises or something. Thank you. Nandri.